I want to talk a little bit today about the latest investment we made into the 65 Mustang, which it's called the Classic Consoles. We got ours at CJ Pony Parts, and I tell you what, they really hit the ball out of the park when they made this console, because it combines all of the latest technology that you'll have, just like you have on the new cars. You got the armrest, you've got the cup holders here. They're off over to the passenger side where it doesn't interfere with the driver's leg, and you've got it surrounds the shifter. Then of course you've got the compartment here where you can put, your whatever you want to store in there. Maybe put your insurance card up here. It's got a little convenient plastic overlay that you can store that in there. You maybe put your registration or something you want to be able to get to fairly quickly right there. Close it. It makes a great armrest. It's wide enough is what I like. It's wide enough for both occupants, to really not be bumping into each other that much. I think this Classic Console really makes a great complement to these distinctive industry seats that we installed recently. It just seems like they really do go together, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's built solid. It's not cheap at all. I mean, of course, honestly, this is one of the top of the line things that you can get. It really complements these seats. I mean, the color even blends together with them. It just looks like that they're all made to go together. I think that they really did. They knocked the ball out of the park on this, and I wanted just a shout out to Classic Consoles and also to CJ Pony Parts. Now we've been buying a lot of parts from them lately, and I tell you what, they've really done us good. They've had shipping going out quickly. We've received things packaged properly, and we've been real happy with CJ Pony Parts. You could just do a Google search and find them real easy. ClassicConsoles.com. If you're interested in getting a console for your Mustang, I highly recommend it. We're just excited about it. I'm real happy with it. I guess you can tell, but okay, that's about it. I guess I can't say much more about it. Get yourself one, man. They're really cool. We like them a lot. Thank you, and hey, if you wouldn't mind while you're there, go ahead and hit that subscribe and click that bell if you would. I really appreciate it. Hey, I hope you have a blessed day. God bless you, and thank you for watching the video. I know